When I first joined GBS, I was here to teach study skills. What I didn't expect, that I would be the one learning to lead, to innovate, to change the future of education. My name is TJ, and this is my journey at GBS. When I first started working at GBS as a study skills lecturer within the learning and teaching department, I was acting as the liaison between the study skills team and the Leeds Trinity partnership. My role was to coordinate the workshops and study skills support for Leeds Trinity students. GBS was growing fast, and with it, so was my role. At the end of 2022, I was invited to move to the new partnership, Oxford Brook. I was a part of the syllabus design and content creation. By the end of it, I was invited to be the module leader for the academic skills module. But my journey didn't stop there. Thanks to the experience gained and the support from my colleagues in my first year, in February 23, I took my next big step up. I was given the opportunity to become the level lead of the foundation year. This was my chance to shape how the foundation year was delivered. And that brings us to the present day. In August 2024, I was given the opportunity to become the Associate Dean of the Foundation Year at OBU. Less than 3 years since I walked through these doors at GBS. At GBS, growth isn't just possible, it's part of the journey. If you're looking for a place where your hard work and skills are rewarded, GBS is the place for you.